severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Person County in central North Carolina, northeastern Orange County in central North Carolina, northwestern Durham County in central North Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ridgemont, Oregon, 9 miles east of Prospect Hill, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include